Presenting the Canon Pixma TS207 single-function inkjet printer. The printer is ideal for occasional home usage requiring less than 100 prints per month. The compact design allows you to save your space and place this printer on your desktop or shelf. This printer uses inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. It is a single-function printer, which means that the printer can only print and cannot be used for other functions like copying and scanning. It can print in color and black and white. Connect the printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 7.7 black and white pages or 4 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes to help you with your various print requirements. Printing cost per page is 5.3 rupees for black and white prints and 7.8 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is PG745S or XL Black, CL746S or XL Color. The printer supports borderless photo printing. It also features quiet mode to ensure less disturbance. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.